To put the power supply back in, we're going to find our 4-pin connector. That's going to go to the left-hand side of the machine. We're going to slide the power supply in. You can see the corner holes. We're going to set the first 2 screws, the upper right corner, as our machine lies, be first. Then the lower left. Now we're going to put the power supply brace on the power supply. You're going to go ahead and orient this brace such that these 2 ribs in the plastic are to the right and to the bottom in our example here. The way I like to do this is put the screws into the spacers together like this. You can go ahead and find the holes pretty easily. You don't want to over torque these screws. We are screwing into the plastic base. Now once we have the base in place, we're going to go ahead and reconnect the connectors. First, the 4-pin power connector. Make sure that's seated nice and tight. We're going to come up here, connect our 2 AC connectors. Bottom one first, top one second. Make sure that they're seated well. The last thing we're going to do is take our tie wrap that we had set aside at the beginning, and we're going to tie wrap the 4 leads of these 2 connectors up in the top together. So not the black shielding, it's actually the 4 leads. 2 black, 2 white, right down near the connector. This ties them snugly together, preloads them against the pins. So at that point our connectors need to be rechecked and you're done installing your power supply.